You talk to me? Yeah? Come here. Did you grab it all by yourself? Look at you, big boy. Wow, look what you did. Aren't you a big boy? That is so exciting. Yes, look at you. That's the first time he grabbed it all by himself. Aw, Sammy, you're such a big boy. Yay. Uh-oh. Oh, that's okay. Hi, Sammy. Can you talk to me? Hi, baby. Say hi, Mama. I want to grab it again. I want to grab it again. You can do it, Sammy. Hey, sweet boy.